Need to screen candidates without turning hiring into a compliance headache? Checkr is built to make background checks more organized, consistent, and candidate-friendly.
Welcome to Best Reviews.
Hey there, and welcome back to Best Reviews. Today we're looking at Checkr, an employment background check platform designed for businesses, staffing agencies, and hiring teams that need repeatable pre-employment screening. In this video, we'll walk through how Checkr works, its most important features, pricing and non-profit discounts, customer support, and who it's best for. For the latest details and offers, make sure to check our full review on bestreviews.net. Checkr is not a consumer people search tool where you casually look someone up by name, phone number, or address. Instead, it starts with a structured hiring workflow. Employers request a background check, candidates receive a link, and then they submit the required information through Checkr's candidate process. Once an account is registered, businesses get access to the platform without an upfront payment requirement. From the dashboard, you can order, track, and manage background checks in one place. The experience is designed to reduce manual follow-up. Checkr collects candidate details, sends notifications, organizes records, and lets hiring teams standardize screening packages by role, industry, or compliance needs. Candidates also get a mobile-optimized portal where they can submit information and check the status of their background check. That makes the process clear on both sides and helps hiring teams keep things moving. Inside the dashboard, reports are organized with statuses showing whether each check is complete, pending, or needs further review. You can customize the dashboard, filter reports, and export information directly to your email. Checkr screening options are designed for employment screening and FCRA-aligned decision-making. Depending on the package and add-ons, businesses can run social security number traces, criminal record searches, sex offender registry checks, global watchlist searches, motor vehicle records, drug testing, employment verification, education verification, and international background checks. That flexibility is useful because not every role requires the same level of screening. A driving role may need motor vehicle records, while jobs in finance or healthcare may call for deeper verification or extra compliance steps. Checkr can also recommend a package through its built-in quiz. It looks at your industry, the depth of screening required, and the responsibilities tied to the role, which can help if you're not sure which checks to run. One of Checkr's biggest differentiators is its Assess and Adverse Action Toolkit. Assess uses machine learning to normalize charge descriptions and filter out irrelevant records, making complex legal information easier to review. Checkr also supports fair chance hiring by allowing candidates to provide context for their records and by automating adverse action workflows. This includes pre- and post-adverse action notices, jurisdiction-specific waiting periods, and individualized assessments. From the platform, you can also pause investigations during disputes, manage undeliverable emails, and track statuses from the dashboard, which helps reduce the administrative burden around background check-based hiring decisions. For companies hiring at scale, integrations are another important part of the platform. Checkr connects with tools like Paylocity, JustWorks, Gusto, and Deal, helping teams trigger checks and manage screening from the systems they already use. Checkr also supports international screenings through existing accounts. These can take longer and may involve country-specific requirements, but they're available for companies that need to screen candidates beyond the US. Finally, Checkr includes an analytics dashboard for tracking the screening pipeline. Teams can monitor invitation volumes, pending research, completed reports, turnaround times, delayed reports, and adjudication activity. Checkr uses a pay-as-you-go pricing model, so costs depend on the screening package, check volume, and any add-ons you choose. The cheapest package is Basic, which costs $29.99 per report. It includes an SSN trace, sex offender registry check, global watchlist search, and national criminal search. For criminal search records, you'll need the Essential plan at $54.99 per report. More complex checks, such as federal criminal history searches, require the complete plan at $89.99 per report. Businesses running more than 50 checks per year should contact sales for a custom code. Non-profit organizations can also get 15% off all criminal searches. Checkr doesn't offer refunds, but it may issue a credit toward the next monthly invoice if a screening isn't completed or an error occurs. Prices may change, so check our full review on bestreviews.net for the latest pricing and offers. Checkr offers several support resources, including a blog, video tutorials, a customer and candidate learning center, FAQs, a chatbot, and a contact form. Email support is available to US candidates and customers Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Outside the US, support is available until 6 p.m. Eastern European Time. When we submitted a support ticket, the first reply arrived within an hour, but it came from Checkr's AI assistant and didn't answer the question. After asking for escalation, a human agent followed up after 1 day. So, support is available and the resources are broad, but getting a human answer may require an extra step when the AI assistant can't solve the issue. Checkr's biggest strengths are its fair chance hiring tools, mobile-optimized candidate portal, and assess and adverse action workflows. Together, they help teams review reports more consistently while staying in line with FCRA and local requirements. It is also especially useful for companies already using ATS and HRIS software, since its integrations reduce manual admin work and keep screening workflows connected to existing hiring tools. On the flip side, some reports can still take several days depending on the type of check and the responsiveness of courts, employers, schools, or other data sources. Customer support may also require extra follow-up when the AI assistant can't resolve an issue right away. Checkr is best for businesses that need compliant, candidate-friendly employment screening at a repeatable scale. For more details and the latest offers, head to our full review at bestreviews.net. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will be notified of future videos. See you next time!